Hello, my name is Dane Slattery, and today we'll be talking about the licensing system on the Polar Monitoring Portal. Jumping straight in, here we have a site. This is my Deno site, to which I've added a gateway, and on that gateway is a bunch of sensors connected, in this case, a power meter, another power meter, and our Polar Monitoring MB442, which is our field bus unit. Looking at this current page, we can see that this site is using 17 out of its 32 allocated tags. I'll go into what a tag is now, and we also have 1 out of 2 gateways. So this means that I could theoretically link an additional gateway to the site, and onto that particular gateway, I could link a separate device. Now, on the existing devices, you can see that there is a tag allocation here. This one, for example, is using 5 tags. And if we go to its dashboard, we can see what constitutes a tag. On this live page, you can see, for example, that we're reading the total active energy, active power, power factor, voltage, and current. Each of these are being polled, and any time that we're polling, it means that we store history for this thing. And those are the exact things that we call tags. These are data tags. If we go into edit mode, you can see that some of these tags are disabled, and the ones that are enabled are in a polling state. This one will poll every 60 minutes. Moving on, we can also see that we have alerts, particular alerts. In this case, there are no alerts activated on this particular gateway, but any alert that you add here contributes to your alert limit within the site license. Moving on, we see that there are schedulers. If we add a scheduler here, we can, for example, add a custom schedule, and this will run at 11 o'clock every day, and it will repeat hourly, for example. Creating the scheduler, we can see that we've now contributed to our scheduler count, and heading back to the licenses page or the sites page, we can then manage this particular site, which allows us to look at the site overview. We see that we have on this gateway, MHB, the MB442 has an alert and 7 tags. This one has 5 tags and 1 scheduler, and this one has 5 tags and no alerts and no schedulers. That's pretty much about it for the sites and licenses situation. Thank you.